The study carried out by EOLIOS focuses on analyzing wind effects on 3 Leroy Merlin stores located in particularly exposed environments. By combining on-site audits, meteorological analysis, 3D modeling, and CFD simulations, EOLIOS was able to understand precisely how wind interacts with buildings, access points, storage areas, and outdoor spaces. This approach made it possible to identify the most sensitive areas, especially loading, circulation, and storage zones, where acceleration, channeling, and wind ingress can disrupt operations, affect user comfort, and weaken certain activities. The analysis showed that these issues are not only linked to the site's overall exposure, but also to the building geometry, the layout of openings, and the immediate surroundings. By comparing simulation results with on-site observations and measurements, EOLIOS confirmed the reliability of its diagnosis. The study therefore made it possible to define targeted solutions, such as the installation of windbreaks adapted to each configuration, in order to sustainably improve comfort, safety, and operational continuity across the sites.